How long will it take for my case to get processed? My name is Dhanani. I'm an immigration attorney with the Dhanani law firm. I get asked that question a lot. How long is it going to take for my case to get processed? I don't have a magic wand or anything where I can see information in an exclusive way that other people are not able to see. What I generally do is I go to the USCIS website, which is uscis.gov. And then what I do is I go to this tools tab up here on the top and I click on check case processing times. So when I do that, I get this page where it's got basically three boxes here: form category, and field office or service center. And the forms are based on the type of case that you're filing. You can't see it on this video for some reason, but there's a drop down menu when you click on the form tab here, and it's starts with the I-90 form, application to replace permanent resident card. And it just keeps going and lists like probably, I don't know, maybe like 30 different types of cases here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick one for the I-129 form, and that form is normally used for the non-immigrant business cases like H1, L1, TN, E2. And then I'm just going to pick a form category, and I'm going to pick the e-treaty traders and investors category. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the field office service center. So usually with the business cases, it depends on where the business is located, and where the business is located determines which service center you're going to file with. So in this case, the only service center that's popping up is California Service Center. So I think for now, they're probably only accepting e-visa applications at the California Service Center. So I'll go ahead and click that. And then I click processing time. And as you can see, 80% of cases are completed within 6 months. So if you file an e-application with the USCIS, then you could probably expect a decision within 6 months. So the next question that I usually get as we move along in a case is, hey, what's the status of my case? And again, I don't really have any kind of a magic wand where I can figure that out, any better than anyone else. So again, I just go to the tools tab here, and now I check case status online. And when you do that, you need to have your receipt notice. It's on a form called an I-797. And on that receipt form, it'll have a receipt number. The receipt number is on the top left of your receipt notice. And so what you would do is you just look at what's that receipt number, and then you just type in the receipt number here in this box, and then you fill out the CAPTCHA form. And then this box is grayed out, but I'll just show you real quick. I'm just making up a number here. Once you fill in this information, this check status box turns blue, and then you can click check status, and it'll tell you what the status is of your case. It'll say case is still being processed by the Immigration Service, or there's a request for evidence, or the case was approved. And so that's always helpful for people, just because it gives them a little bit of peace of mind so that they can kind of figure out, where their case is in the pipeline, and saves me a little bit of trouble because I don't have to look it up, because my clients know to go there and look it up on their own. So I hope that's helpful. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll try to make some more. Thanks. Bye.